Hello everybody, Mike MDs. How do you replace this light bulb right here? There's no little door over here to access. Do I take the trim off? No way. We're gonna remove this guy here, and there's some bolts under here to pull the light out, and you can access the back. Okay, take this little clip off, turn it counterclockwise. This one's already broke. Pop it out. Pull this guy up, go straight up. You see the little locking tabs at the bottom here that go in those little holes, and that will give you access to these two 10mm nuts. Try and do this with one hand here. There it is, and from there you can remove the back cover and you have access to the bulbs. But you want to make sure that the little connector and the pin is not burnt. Some of these did have an issue with that. If it is, they have a repair kit you can get to replace the connector and pin, and also you'll need to replace that back housing section there, the bulb carrier that is. Okay, and there's the culprit there, the bulb on the right, but while I'm in here, let's do both bulbs and put it back so we don't have to worry about it again. A little tip here. If the contact looks like it has a little bit of burning on it, you want to clean it with like a little pocket screwdriver, scrape all that crust off of there. You can use a little bit of sandpaper. Try to pull the tab up a little bit so when you put the new bulb in, it has more tension. What happens is that heat, when it gets hot, it lowers the tension on that spring, reducing the contact pressure. So you don't want that to happen again. If it does, you'll probably need to replace this guy. It's just not a really good design as far as longevity wise goes. I hope this helped you guys out, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you next time.